Welcome to Mora series. What it is, Akwaba. Ghanaian person may say Akwaba. I post every Sunday. I post a video every Sunday. Look at how the beautiful V-neck is. Look amazing. It's well explained. V-neck, you are explaining very well. BBI detail. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hard. Just look how beautiful it is. You can do it. It's well explained. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on the notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my tutorial. I post every Sunday. We post every Sunday, so check it out. You're gonna open your fabric into two like this. As you can see, once I send them you fold it into two. This is a dashiki wear until now. I'll look for the middle of it where in finfino. So this will stand as my back neck, so I'm marking 1 inch. So I will mark 2.5 inches here, and I mark it 2.5 inch ewa. This is a dashiki top. So from my first line, not the middle line, I mark 8 inches. You can mark 9 inches. I mark 8 inches. You can mark 9 inches. So from that point, I mark it from 8 inches over to marking 9 inches. From that point, I mark 0.5 or half inches. You know, it's been folded. So half inches, when I open it, it's gonna be 1 inches. What I want to say, also in the measure half inches or honomono would be able to have 1 inch. But if you mark 1 inch, when you open, it's gonna be 2 inches. So this, then you draw your straight line like this. Then you cut it out. No trap. Easy to do it. Very simple. Well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. Then you cut it off. So this is the V-neck, as you can see. So it's time to take the measurement. Then you measure no susu. As you can see, I'm gonna let it be 1 inch longer. So as you can see, we say my man with the 1 inch hiding account. As you can see, I didn't start from the actual point. I added 1 inch to it. You can start from the actual point and add 1 inch to it. Then you have to measure. When you fold it, it's gonna be something like this. Remember, it's been folded. Can I say? So you measure here is half inch. When measure, you're gonna get 1 inch. That part is 1 inch. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I post every Sunday, so come check it out every Sundays. You know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna fold my fabric into two, and I'm gonna mark 1.5. You hear me? 1.5. It's been folded, so when I open it, it's gonna be 3. Mark it 1.5. So that's what I'm using. The neck, when you measure and the neck is 10, that means that is 20. Remember, the fabric is being folded into two. So when you measure it is 10, then you gotta cut. That is, you multiply by 2. I'm gonna cut the same thing in 1.5. The same thing. It is what it is. We say try the same thing. No, we try the same thing. Maybe I'm a chim. So I'm going to divide this one into two, and I'm going to use one of it, half of it. I'm not going to use the two of it. I'm just going to use one of it, and I'll use the other one to do something different. So this is 1.5, so you're going to fold it into two. So I'll put one aside and I'll use this one. So I'll put it on it like this, saying I'm the kwakotoso. You put it on it like this, then you sew on top. What about to say yeah? Then you sew. But first you have to put a facing on it. So let's put a facing on it on the big one. Or the lining, or the stiff bedding, you better sew. Which one stiff that you have, the hard one, the soft one, whatever you have, you can use it. Interfacing, here we call it stiff. So voila, we keep moving. So you put it on it like this, then you sew on top. So let's go to the machine. Let's do the sewing over there. So I can see I just put it on it and I'll sew on top. Remember, we left 1 inch. We added extra 1 inch. So okay, the extra 1 inch then it is also. In case of marking extra 1 inch, we added extra 1 inch. So you have to mark your 1 inch. To save you as a guideline to get everything accurate. So we are working on the right side of the fabric. Fabric fabric you are working on the right side of the fabric. Don't go and work on the wrong side of the fabric. You start from the right side of the fabric. So I'm going to leave 1 inch before I start sewing. Make that 1 inch and sand my pam because we added 1 inch to it. You feeling it? It is what it is. Mora FC, it is what it is. So you put on it, then you sew around, and you go round and around and around. Here it is. You take your time. Voila. Almost done. Still with me. Still with me. Adena Poto. It is what it is. Hey, ba. So you make small notches at that part so that it will feel able to lay down on your neck very beautifully. You know. So you chop that part off. You cut that part off. You see, you make a. Cut it off, not too much. So I'm gonna put everything inward to the wrong side, just like this. Amazing. So as you can see, we pull it everything in. We pull it in. See how beautiful it has turned out. See how amazing it has turned out. So beautifully. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. It is what it is. Oops, I did not get bottle. So we keep on, give it a press, not to cry, give it a iron, heat it up. You see, almost I just look how beautiful it is. So simple. Kachi, this dashiki. This is dashiki, You just have to open up like this. You see, then you hold it up, then you sew on top. So let's get to the machine. Then we're gonna sew on top. Have a pin, you hold it down. Get a pin to hold it down. The pin, we know holding it down. Then when you down it like this, you check, you see. We are not check out here. Is everything lying perfectly? Yes, lying perfectly. So we go to the machine side. Then we knock that place down. May I say, respect to my rosters. Respect to everybody. You just knock that place down by sewing it attached to the band. It is what it is. It is what it is. I post every Sunday, so make sure you come check it out every Sundays. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. See how beautiful it stand out. Just look how beautiful it is. Keep moving. You just have to chop off some off, not too much. Then we're gonna make top stitching. You can decide to leave it like this. You can decide to leave it. But my journey say yeah, it's not necessarily means that you have to top stitch. You can decide to leave it like this because it's gonna lie flat on your chest. So you can just top stitch it. Then you go around. This is the V-neck for you. Voila. We finishing moi. Everything is finished. We are done with it. Yeah, we. Hey, editing. Bending. Hey, na mamu. Yeah, it's all yours. It's more IFC. It is what it is. We finished with the V-neck. Check it out. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it has turned out. It is what it is. Like I said, this is a dashiki top. I'm gonna go on and teach you how to